We are honored to receive good comments from Hungary customers. They purchased a total of 56 pieces of our P3.91 outdoor rental LED video wall EA1000C3 in May 2024 for event display, and the display effect was excellent and the customers were very satisfied. The rental LED video wall in the video is one of the best-selling products of EagerLED display. It is made of sturdy and beautiful materials and is equipped with quick locking devices on the left and right sides, which significantly improves the assembly speed and the flatness of the screen. At the same time, anti-collision feet are designed at the bottom of the cabinet to effectively protect the edges of the LED module from damage. The EA1000C3 series outdoor LED display has IP65 dust and water resistance and can withstand bad weather during outdoor activities. Its die-cast aluminum material is not only corrosion resistant, but each cabinet weighs only 12.6 kilograms, which is convenient for one person to complete installation, disassembly, and maintenance. We sincerely thank our customers for their trust and support for EagerLED. This trust is our driving force to keep moving forward. We are always committed to providing customers with excellent LED display solutions through continuous innovation and strict quality control.